Tag, I'm it. Tag, I'm it.
I am committed to giving up plastic water bottles.
Starting with this cup.
This cup.
This is my last single-use cup.
Starting with this straw.
Did you know that more than 1 million plastic bags are used every minute?
I bet you didn't know that.
Over the last 10 years, we have produced more plastic than during the whole of the last century.
And much of our plastics, when indiscriminately disposed of, finds its way into our oceans. It travels from one island to the other in plastic patches.
So, why use this disposable bottle when you can switch to something a little bit more environmentally friendly?
I am switching from this to this.
From this to this.
Replace it with a reusable option.
Switch to an environmentally friendly alternative. I'm tagging Alicia Burton, Miss Dominica, King Trilogy, and Benji N2O.
Now look how easy it is to switch.
I'm tagging OECS and Puya.
You have 24 hours to put out your switch video and tag 3 people.
Hi, I'm Joanne Novel from the Caribbean Youth Environment Network. Tag 3 people and challenge them to join the Zero Waste movement.